massive. That building up there's huge. You can see it.
Yeah. You can't see it on video, but let's see what we got. Oh yeah, that's flowing.
Yeah, that's low, but that does go.
I mean, I'll try and see. Bunch of tires in here. Yeah. Oh, motherfucker. Oh, that's deep. Ah, that's fucking deep. I just stepped in all that. That's fucking deep. That just went over the top of my boot. Fuck. I wonder if I stay on the side. I don't know. You'd probably need waders to get in the... I'm not going to be able to go back anymore. That sucks. It's all flooded out. Yeah, I don't know. Unless I try the other side. Oh, oh man. Oh, fuck. Oh. No, I'm not going in. All right, that's enough. I just completely filled my boots. All right, we're done with this one here. We're done with this one here. And I gotta try to get the fuck out. So it's too deep. I fell completely in. Yeah. Yeah, I fell completely. My boots are... I'm gonna be dumping water out of these.